In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the microphone settings in Zoom effectively. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you're ready to make your voice loud and clear during your next Zoom call. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoom site. Before you start, it's important to make sure your microphone is already set up and connected to your computer. This will save you from troubleshooting issues later on and ensure that everything can proceed smoothly. Once you're on the Zoom website, look for the Sign In button. Click on it to log into your Zoom account. If you're not already signed in, you can choose the option to sign in with Google. Simply click on the Google button, and then you will see a list of your Google accounts. Click on your account to continue. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find an option called Profile Settings. Click on it and then scroll to find the Settings option. This is where all the magic happens regarding configuring your audio settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Click on Audio. It's time to focus on the microphone section. When you click on this, you'll find a drop-down list of available microphones connected to your computer. Select the microphone you're planning to use, be it a USB mic, a headset mic, or your computer's built-in microphone. Ensure it is selected from this list. Now comes the crucial part, testing your microphone. Look for the Test Mic button and give it a click. Speak into your microphone clearly and at a normal volume. You'll notice that Zoom will play back your voice to you. This step is essential because it confirms that Zoom can hear your microphone input and allows you to check the sound quality. If you can hear yourself clearly without distortion, you're ready to go. Remember, if any issues arise, don't panic. Double check your connection, ensure the correct drivers are installed, and confirm your microphone is set as the default device on both Zoom and your PC. Practicing this setup process a few times can make a world of difference in your professional or personal meetings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the settings in Zoom to ensure your microphone is properly configured. Being prepared and ensuring everything is working as expected before a big call or meeting can make a significant difference to your confidence and communication effectiveness. Thank you for watching and happy Zooming.